Today we're focusing our time on enterprise voice within Microsoft Teams. We are using a web browser today, but this equally could be your desktop client, your mobile phone, or your tablet with this installed. If we go to contacts, we can see all of the contacts that are personal to me. These might even be ported across from Skype for Business as well. We can see our call history and our voicemail. Voicemails are transcribed from voice into text, so I can easily triage what each of my messages are. Again, we get a number pad, so I can easily type in the numbers. And I also have my telephone number, so my DDI that people can call me as well, so I don't have to remember it. Let's start a call. Now the call is connected, we can see at the very top left here the number that we're calling and how long we've been on the phone for. We can bring up the dial pad if we need to hit numbers while we're on the phone. And also we get facilities to put this call on hold, transfer it, or speak to someone before we transfer that call as well. At the end of each call, you'll be asked to rate the quality. This goes back to a central place called a call quality dashboard that your administrators can view how your calls are getting on. Again, the user experience is the same on a mobile phone. So again, we can go to the calls tab. We can see our call history and any voicemails if I have any. And then I can also make calls as well, just using the telephone number. And I get told what my extension number is as well from here. For administrators and help desk staff, they can also go to the new Teams and Skype Admin Center and search by name. They can see the quality of those different calls and the call history per call as well. We can delve deeper into this to find more diagnostic information about how that call went, the call quality, the connectivity, for example, how good the Wi-Fi was if they were on Wi-Fi, even down to the headset they were using as well. As part of the call quality dashboard, we can clearly see different trends over different times and different sites as well. That's it for this week. If you'd like to ask any more questions, please leave a comment down below.